This whole event is free. This is for you guys, but this is also mainly for the Ukrainian people going through it right now. I'm sure you guys know what's going on, but we have donations going on. We have signs posted everywhere. If you guys want to make a donation, then you could do so at R4Ukraine on Venmo. And if you need the QR code, we got one hanging by the mommy's banh mi over there. Or if not, you can ask this special man right here, Steven. All right? All right. We gonna get it started for y'all. So, we're gonna do this Pokemon style bracket, but it happens after the prelims. So that means we're gonna do showcase preliminary round. Showcase battles. All right? I said all right? There you go. First up, we have Something in the Way to my right versus Mom's Recipe to the judge's left. Showcase battles. That's what you guys get signing up next to your homies. That's all I'm saying. So, yeah. But both of you guys have a chance to make it. So, crowd, are we ready? Woo! I said, crowd, are we ready? Woo! DJ Quantum, let's go. One round each. One round each. Yeah. Recipe. Yeah. Something in the Way.